How about you? Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. Today I'm going to take a box blade and I'm going to level out my driveway, so you guys stick around. Right now I've got my 6-foot EA landscape rake attached to my quick hitch. I need to take it off and go ahead and swap it to the box blade that I have underneath my grapple. And so once I get the box blade put on, I'll be able to go down there, fix the driveway. My wife bought a new car. It sits a little lower than her SUV that she had, and so I'll take the hump out of I'll take the crown out of the center and use the box blade to shape my driveway with that way. I've got the Mahindra 4540 out of the pole barn and headed down to the driveway. You know, I've really never even measured how far this driveway is. I need to do that one day. I like this view right here. I've actually got the camera strapped on my chest. If you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button. It's right below the video here, but pretty neat. I got a new camera. I like this angle here. As I work my way down the hill, you can see that dust flying out. It's been dry, it's hot. You can also see my RhinoHide canopy I've got on there, and that's keeping me nice and cool and keeping me in the shade. And I'll leave a link to the RhinoHide canopy website if you want to order one. Tell them Hamiltonville Farm sent you. Man, look at that dust kick out of there. Good night. That's hot. I'm sure Gina's not liking that dust in her face while she's filming this. When I lower this box blade down here, you can start to see the debris kind of fill up the box blade. I don't have it angled. I've got it straight and level on the back. That way it's only picking up the high spot in the center of the driveway, and that's what I want it to do. Look at the left side of that box blade right there. You can see the debris kind of working its way toward the left side of the box blade, and that's making it nice and level. As I lower this box blade, I don't want it to dig into the ground, so I'm going to use the draft control lever to help that thing stay on top of the driveway. The draft control is this orange handle here. I can set it in conjunction with my lift arms back there on my 3-point hitch, and that will keep that box blade from actually digging into the ground and getting deeper as I grab more dirt and more rock. And so I adjust it here. I adjust the depth of my implement, my box blade, and then I take off. And you can see this thing riding on top of the gravel driveway here, and it's not digging into the driveway. And so that's the whole purpose of the draft control feature, to keep that implement from digging in deeper and deeper. And that can work on a box blade. It can work on any other implement that you have that actually kind of digs into the ground. So I'm really trying to get better at using all the features that the Mahindra 4540 has to offer, and the draft control is just one feature that it has that I'm trying to work on. I don't really know how fast or slow to go, and so I'm going pretty slow here and getting a lot of rock out of the driveway, kind of leveling it out. How about you guys leave a comment below on how fast you grade your driveways, or how fast you grade your roads, because I don't know, if I was doing it too fast or too slow. I'd love to hear your feedback. Listen, it's getting hot, so I'm going to take this tractor. I'm going to head back up to the pole barn because I'm burning up out here. So let me make one final pass and blow Gina out with some more dirt here and head on back to the pole barn. Man, it's hot, but we were able to get the crown taken off that driveway that we wanted to. I'll work on shaping it a little more, as I get more seat time. Yeah, and if you watched any video of mine, you'll know that I'm a rookie tractor owner, right? I just went over 170 hours on this tractor. So at what point are you not a rookie anymore? I'm not sure, but you know, I guess we're always learning, right? But I got the crown taken off, and that was kind of the big goal today. I'll shape it, working with like the angle of the box blade that we talked about in the video, and just kind of working it so the drainage is good on the driveway. But anyway, hey, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like content like this, there's going to be a little white circle pop up. It looks kind of like this. It's got a barn on the inside. That will take you to our subscribe page. Click that little bell icon, and that will notify you when we put new videos out. We probably put out 2 a week, sometimes 3, so we don't try to bombard you with notifications. But we'd appreciate you subscribing and checking out our channel. We also have a playlist of tractor videos where we do bush hog, more box blade stuff, grapple work. Check those videos out too at your convenience. All right, you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next video.